To the most amazing woman I know. Happy birthday, Mama. I just want to take this moment to tell you how much I love and appreciate you. You've been my biggest inspiration, my strongest support, and the person who's who has loved me unconditionally from the very start. Thank you for every sacrifice made for our family. You've worked so hard to give us a good life, even when things weren't easy. You always put everyone else first before yourself, and that's something I admire about you. You show me what the true strength, kindness, and love really means. Alam namin hindi madali ang lahat ng pinagdadaanan mo, pero lagi kang lumalaban at nananatiling matatag para sa pamilya natin. Sobrang saludo ako sa tibay at pagmamahal ng mama. Ikaw yung haligi ng tahanan at ikaw ang ilaw ng buhay namin. Dahil sa'yo, natutunan namin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng tunay na pagmamahal, sakripisyo at kabutihan. Wala kang katulad, Mama, at wala kaming ibang hihilingin pa kundi ang makita ka namin masaya, malusog at payapa. You're not just my mother, you're my best friend, my comfort, and my safe place. Whenever I'm feeling lost or tired, your words and hugs always make everything better. I don't say it enough, but I'm so grateful for everything you do, big or small. On your 45th birthday, I just want you to know how truly special you are. You deserve all the happiness, peace, and love in the world. I hope your day is filled with laughter, good food, and the people who love you the most. I also hope that this new year of your life brings you good health, more reason to smile, and the time to rest and enjoy the things that make you happy. And sana makapagpahinga ka, makatawa ng buong puso, at maranasan mo rin ang kaligayahan na lagi mong ibinibigay sa iba. And naway punuin ng Diyos ang taon mo ito ng biyaya, kabusugan at pagmamahal. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mama. Salamat sa pagiging inspirasyon, sa walang sawang pag-unawa at pagmamahal. Now, it's time for you to receive the same love and joy in return. I am so proud to be your child, and I'll always be thankful for every single day. Happy birthday, Mama. Sana magigisa ito sa pinakamasayang araw mo. I love you more than words can ever